Okay, my turn.
Hello mga kabilyard. Hi mga kabilyard. Efren Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 1. At yun na nga, hindi sinumete si Reyes. Walang pumasok guys. Then Steve Davis siya ang titira ng uno. So open shot siya sa side, which is parang ikakarambol pa rin yung 9. Kaso nga lang hindi pinalag at nagkaroon ng problema, which is kita sa 2 cue ball blocking ng number 4. So mag-a-attempt siya ng rail cushion para tamaan, but unlucky, hindi tinamaan. So ball in hand dito si Reyes guys. So ang ganda ng posisyon ng mga ball, which is parang di na makakabalik si Steve Davis sa rack number 1. Ito nga pala'y last 2001 battle, Race to 9 championship game, which is sa semifinals na laro si Steve Davis. Ang nakalaban niya si Mika Immonen. So race to 7 din, but ang score is 4-7. So maganda ang kilos ni Efren, 5, sunod ang 6 guys. And then maganda rin ang 7 for sure sa left corner doon sa dulo. At ito na nga, nanalo din si Efren Reyes versus Django Bustamante dito rin sa semifinal. So kaya ang nagkaharap is si Steve Davis at si Reyes. So ayan guys, rack number 1, 1-0 si Reyes. So sasargo ulit si Davis sa rack number 2, which is loser's break tayo dito guys. Maganda ang position ng cue ball, which is kita ang number 1 dun sa corner pocket. Tignan natin diskarte ni Davis. 1, pasok. Sitwasyon ng table is parang makakatabla si Davis dito. Corner ang 4, push ng konti, 5. Magaling. So all 1 na tayo dito guys, for sure. Ayan. So tabla na. So si Reyes naman ang sasargo sa rack number 2. Ayun. Ganda ng break ni Efren Reyes. 4 ang pumasok. Kaso ang posisyon ng 2 sa rail. Mukhang magbabang shot dito si Efren Reyes. Play shape. Play shape at kita. Tignan natin si Mr. Snooker. Kilala sa napakagaling at nahusay na snooker, si Steve Davis, at the age of 44. Efren Reyes 47 during 2001. So nag-play shape din si Davis. So may chance si Efren Reyes dito sa corner, but unlucky. Medyo napakapalang tira niya. So mukhang may challenge ulit ang tira ni Steve Davis. Parang dapat manipis ang tira dito. Kayang-kaya niya kaya ito. Ayun, may pasok niya guys. Maganda.
Very good shot there, Sid.
So,
Check that ball to leave in position on the red 3.
sunod ang 3.
Part of the pocket.
So, Porto na pala tayo dito guys. Porto.
Sort of back by the white.
Lamang si Reyes ng dalawa.
3 into the cush
Ito
again.
pala is rock number
Easier, and particularly to land
7 na.
on the 9.
6. And then,
Perfect on the 9 ball.
4-3.
klaro, 4-3. Guys, ganda ng laban.
Clapper in action.
So, break si Davis ulit. Ayun. Hindi rin pinalad, walang pumasok. So, Reyes turn.
Left F and a long 1 ball.
Mukhang may pasok ang uno dun sa corner.
3.
Sa right corner pocket.
Trying to clip this rightward. Get position on the blue tip.
Ang ganda naman ng
You have to try it.
control ng
Round off the try
Justice
position
ni
again.
Efren Reyes. Sunod ang 2.
Till you get to 9, that is.
Corner pocket.
Yep, just holds the 3.
Nice shot.
So, bring in green 6 as well. That's the key factor in working out
Yun.
how he's going to play to the orange.
To get back down for the 7.
Push lang. Corner ang 6.
Off the side
Box
cushion.
in ng konti.
Draw the ball back down the table.
Ang ganda naman ng posisyon ng cue ball. Gumit na sa 8 tsaka 9.
The other side of the 9
Iba ka
really
talaga,
Yes, he did
magician.
definitely. A wry smile there.
So, magpa-5-3 na tayo dito guys.
well,
Ang lupit ni Reyes.
be the boss magician. Well, you had better look.
Nice move.
Simple, the simple straight 9. Mate,
Nice one. 5-3 ang score. Be-break si Reyes ulit. Which is kanina. Talo si Davis.
not as much passing on that break.
Maybe not sick, but still make balls.
Nice
Strike
shot.
with the head. So well said.
May
Made
pumasok.
that push out here.
So, nag-push si Efren Reyes dito guys. So, Davis balik sa table. Anong diskarte niya sa uno?
Take the attacking option.
That's right, Sid.
So, play safe. Tinago sa likod ng 5.
Maybe a slightly better result
Hindi
than
naman
he intended.
magpapatalo si Efren Reyes dito. Kita. Ayun. Ganda ng
Lands in the jaw.
play shape. Muntik pang pumasok ang cue ball sa corner. Pero kita. Kita pa rin no kaya ang diskarte ni Davis dito guys. Tingnan natin. Unlucky. Inarang ang cue ball ng 2. So may chance si Efren dito na may pasok ang uno.
Stream check side
Ayun.
of the cue ball. To bring
Ganda.
himself back for the 2 in the same pocket.
Naku, napalakas ang bola.
Quite good. Little bit too fast, I think.
Napangisi na lang ang si Mr. Reyes.
Well, you're talking
Pero may pasok.
you're talking half inches.
Yeah, that was the problem. He was looking to look.
Hindi pinalad. So balik si Davis sa table. Mukhang natapos na ni Davis to. May pasok lang ang 3. Ayun. Naku. Umikit ang cue ball. Parang long shot sa corner pocket to guys. Bagay, napakagaling to na sa snooker. Diba? Suwabe. Control pa sa rotasyon. Para sa 5. Ramos. Corner.
And you say that
Size.
not. As in when you get to the 9, which
Nice
will
shot.
be pretty soon.
Corner din ng 8.
Top draw clearance this.
Backspin ng konti.
Great four ball.
Para
Use the
9.
full size of the pocket with the orange 5.
So, 5-4 na tayo, guys.
Under extreme pressure.
Malupit. So, Davis ulit ang sasargo.
Be a good rack for him to win it. Zone break. But
Nice
tremendous
break.
there.
Dalawang pumasok. Corner tsaka sa side pocket. Position ng dos. Medyo pangit. Tingnan natin ang diskarte ni Davis dito, guys.
Davis, you're dead right. Good as anybody's.
So, play safe. Tinatakbo ang dos dito sa corner.
Slightly hampered
Nice,
here. Be bending
but-
the cue ball.
Yeah, but
Reyes, anong discarding gagawin?
swerve.
Mukhang konting masi. Ayun,
That's it.
double shot.
Oh my God!
Not easy by any means.
Pero mahirap na tira to sa 4. Dikit pa naman ang 4. Papatakbuhin sa corner. Naku po, malog.
And this is a fantastic chance
Saklap.
for Steve
Mukhang
to level the match.
clean up na to kay Davis.
At
Hindi
5-5,
na
this will be
makakabalik
anybody's.
si Reyes dito sa laban na to. Rock number 10. Yan o, ganda ng position ng bola. Konting backspin.
Win.
Parang ako lang, no? So, ayan. Mukhang makakatabla dito si Davis, guys. So, please subscribe and follow me
Yes.
for more updates. So, Reyes ang sasargo sa Rock 11. Ayun, may pumasok.
Efren really hit those balls there.
Dalawang
Karaoke
pumasok.
playing instead of practicing,
That's
singing.
Maganda
Raise
ang
the ball for
position
the
ng
tackle.
uno. Pwede dun sa corner pocket.
By no means easy, this shot. They'll be attempting in the corner pocket. Across the far side of the table for the red 3 next.
Sa ilalim, no?
Superb shot.
Ganda.
Yeah, superb draw.
Position sa tres
Great
sa
position,
corner
Sid.
pocket.
That was the key to this rack.
Nice shot. Mukhang aabante si Reyes dito, guys. Nice move ang 4 sa corner. Sunod ang 5 sa opposite corner
Come to
pocket.
expect from him.
Like a yo-yo expert.
Mukhang aabante si Reyes dito. Mga kabilyard.
Oh, the sort of money Efren makes on a
Tingnan
piece
yung
of
mukha
gold
ni
thread.
Davis. Oh. Napapailing na lang. Hatak, backspin. Stop ball siya. Pwede. Pwede pala sa side pocket.
Now to do, like I say, but tap in this.
Minsan makakakuha tayo ng moves kay Efren Reyes, guys. Minsan gagayanin natin tong mga tira ni The Magician. So, 6-5 ang score.
Remember, it's a race to 9 racks.
So,
KG
rack number
stuff, yeah, in this
12 na
final
tayo.
Efren.
Yep. And is Efren looking at this? Bottom rail. I think he is.
So, bubang shot
Two ball,
dito
that's the
si
blue two, onto the
Efren
black
Reyes
eight,
sa
he'll be
dos.
trying here.
Ayan o. Ayun,
Well,
na-kick shot ng
bonus.
malapit sa corner pocket.
Didn't intend the 3 ball, but he'll take it.
But nagkaroon ng
Bonus for
konting
Davis.
problem.
Yeah. Bit of luck. But Efren pronounced the
Dumikit
stance,
yung
more
cue ball
pressure,
sa 2.
yeah.
So, gagawin
It's fair
ni
to say that's it.
Efren. Play
Very
safe.
delicate shot he's played.
Nice shot. Safety shot.
Final. First to 9.
Davis turn.
Trails at the moment.
Tignan natin gagawin niya. Ayun, tinamaan yung dos. but unlucky na
Get
benta
back across for that pink four
kay
ball.
Reyes. Uy, sumobra ang pina ni Reyes dun.
Consequently, overcut the ball.
So may chance bumalik si Davis. Papatakbuhin doon sa corner.
Two into the corner pocket. He'll be playing.
Nice shot. Ganda na.
Got the pink four.
Napong ng bola. Isa pa
He's good
sa
position
corner.
for the orange five. To come back down for the green six at the bottom of the table.
Suabe. Highway 54.
Absolutely straight.
Positioning pa sa 5.
Hayes will be happy, I think.
Nah. Well, it was so straight that
Back
he
spin.
had to draw. He had to do
Great shot.
severe draw.
Nice shot.
Well, no. You run on. You didn't want that icon.
Naku po.
Give Reyes.
Napalakas yata ang cue ball. Pero kaya pa yan dun sa corner.
Long.
Ang galing niya, no? Sa mga
Tremendous spot there.
pin cut.
He's been unfortunate.
Naku po. Long shot.
Very difficult pot.
Napangisi siya dito. Cue ball. Dikit sa rail.
And also position
Cue
is
ball.
going to
Dikit
be
sa rail.
by topping it
Diskarte ni
through.
Davis.
Yeah, he had to play that sit.
Phoenix shot.
That was a shot to nothing.
Or-
In effect. We say that, but we know what Efren's like.
Safety shot.
You serious?
Open shot kay Efren. But
Does he
the
look at the back door?
magician is
Dribble crowd,
the
yeah,
favorite shot.
Davis
Sabi nga ni commentator.
Davis going giraffe neck
Tignan natin guys kung anong
with interest.
ito yung pinaka-highlights ng laro.
Long
Alam naman natin
reckon.
na si Reyes napakahusay sa bank shot. Which is master niya. Diba? Fair play pa.
Anywhere he likes.
So, ang ganda pa ng posisyon ng bola. Sa 9.
Bottom left.
So, aabante si Reyes
Anywhere he
dito.
likes.
Magsi 7-5.
Well, we couldn't quite see exactly how he was addressing that ball, but we both had a rough idea of how long he was prepared to take that bank shot. This for 7-5.
Nice shot.
Genius.
So, dalawa na lang.
Bikes look the same. That's
Ano kayang iniisip ni Davis?
To position.
Reyes break.
And this is a big
Sa rack
for
number.
Efren now.
13. Naku po, nice scratch siya. So, babalik ulit si Davis sa table.
5. Rick.
Ball in hand.
Well said.
Mukhang
He really needs this rack. If he can take this rack,
makakapuntos dito si Davis. Palagay nyo mga kabilyard.
just needs to land
Ganda.
shot.
Position siya dos. Kaso yung tres nandun
Bottom
layo.
spin on it.
Aba,
Bottom right hand side to increase the angle.
malupit. Ganda naman ng
What a
cue stick niya.
slightly hampered by the green six here.
Inatras niya ng 120.
Should still make this ball.
Great shot.
The table.
Maybe looking at two rails here.
4 sa corner
Maybe
pocket.
running through it. Yep, two rails he's tried.
Naku po, kumalog. Ang
Well,
saklap.
extreme draw. He was prepared to move that ball.
Deliberately left that angle.
Magician turn. Nice. Pinauna banda. Para nga mag-prepare siya. Dikit ang cue ball. Mahirap dito ang Reyes.
But if he gets it, he's looking to bring it off that cush. And
Nice
that one
move.
About
Ang lupit.
Look at the end cutter.
Nice shot.
Perfect angle for him.
Says.
Just where he wanted it.
Mukhang hindi na makakabalik si Davis dito sa
Bottom rail with left hand
rock
side here.
number 13.
Bottom and side.
Corner pocket ang 8.
Push, snitch out.
Pwedeng stop ball or ilapit ng konti.
Or
Stop ball niya.
down dead to make it even more simple. Just to go one rack away from the Whirlpool League title.
Ayun.
Steve Davis.
8-5. Isa na lang. Ito yung chance na ni Davis. Isa na lang pagkakamali. Nag-break. May pumasok. Ito na yung main event para kay Efren Reyes. Yung diskarte ni Davis dito para makabalik
Fortunate there.
susunod na rack.
Pushing across the table.
Nag-push siya
Trying
dito.
to leave an edge of this 2-ball.
Pero yung dos, dikit sa size.
Yes, Sid.
You really mean a bank here?
Ang ganda naman ng tira ni Efren Reyes.
And look at
Safety
that for the
shot.
loop if it missed.
That's it.
Mukhang
You've got
labanan
to
ng
be
safety to.
genius to split your bet that way.
Matira matibay sa safety.
On the edge of this 2.
Ayun, safety din. Nice shot. Agawang cue ball. 5.
Green ball is saved you there, the 6-ball.
Napainom na lang ng tubig si Davis.
Not in the ground. Back row, for instance. Dragon.
Tignan natin si Reyes.
Ryan Mike and Main.
Iba talaga ang master ng geometry ko. Lapit, no? Napasayaw pa at napalabas ng dila. Pati yung referee na napa-smile ni Efren Reyes. Baka talaga Reyes. Diskarte ni Davis. Makakaganti kaya sa battle for safety? Ayun. Naku po. Ang bumenta. Nay. Good luck na lang. Nice shot.
Beautiful. 90-degree draw.
Press sa side. Ikot ang cue ball.
Green to the middle.
4 sa corner. Pushing rail. Balik ang cue ball.
This particular route.
Box in. Tira sa 5. Sunod ang size sa corner pocket.
Flying high soon. The magician. Waves his wand. And I'm telling you, when he struck his stuff,
Ito yung panalo
now
ni
it is strictly
Efren Reyes
Roosevelt Conference.
2001 champion. Binalikan
Eight
lang
ball into the
natin
same pocket.
kasi napakaganda. At para mapanood nyo rin guys,
Effectively
Yeah.
tackle ball, that.
subscribe, follow me to the next upload. So panalo na si Efren dito.
Too much.
So ayan guys, napanood natin yung laban ni Efren way back 2001 match champion Reyes. Thank you for watching. Please follow me for more updates and subscribe.